Namaskar children, how are you all? Once again I am Kavita Krishnani from New Era Global Kids. Now let's start with prayer. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Karagre vaste Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmule tu Govinde, प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। जब आप पहले सवेरे उठते हो, उठते ही आपको दोनों हाथ ऐसे रखना है। फिर कैसे प्रेयर करनी है? कराग्रे वस्ते लक्ष्मी, कर मध्ये सरस्वती, कर मूले तु गोविंदे, प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। हमारे ऊपर वाले भाग में कौन निवास करता है? लक्ष्मी। मध्य भाग में सरस्वती एंड उग्र भाग में गोविंदे मीन्स कृष्ण निवास करते। सो हमें मॉर्निंग में पहले उठ के हमारे हाथ ऐसे रख के प्रेयर करके दोनों हाथ का अवलोकन करना चाहिए। फिर हाथ को फेस पे घुमाना चाहिए। ओके, फिर ही हमको दूसरा काम स्टार्ट करना है। ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन, टुडे आई विल डू सम एक्टिविटी अबाउट बॉडी पार्ट्स. ओके, आई हैव डिफरेंट parts now, so I will do what is this? This is a face, right? So I will stick here, two eyes, one nose, tongue, teeth, mouth, ears, eyebrow, forehead, head, chin. Okay, now which body part is this? This is the mouth. Now children, now tell me which body part is this? Eyes? Yes, yes, eyes. No? Nose? Yes, I have one nose. How many nose do you have? Two? No, only one nose. Now children, now tell me which body part is this? Eyes. How many eyes do you have? Two eyes. Which body part is this? Ear. Now, what is this? These are a hair. Now children, draw a line to individual part of the head. What is this? Mouth. So, where is mouth? Here. So, magic. Now, what is this? Hair. Where is hair? Here. What is this? Eyes. Where is eyes here? Here. What is this? Nose. What is this? Ear. Now children, our activities are done. Now children, our body part made up of different part. हमारा बॉडी किससे बना हुआ है? अलग अलग पार्ट से बना हुआ है. Hands, leg, eyes, nose and leg. Right? Our body parts made up of different parts. All body parts important for healthy living. Our all body parts are important for healthy living. Right? Now children, now tell me yesterday what did in class work? हमने कल क्या किया था क्लास वर्क में? कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट्स किया था? Nose, right? How many nose do you have? How many nose do you have, children? I have one nose. What do you do with your nose? हम nose से क्या करते हैं? What do you do with your nose? I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. हम किससे स्मेल लेते हैं? हम नोज से स्मेल लेते हैं. राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? These are my eyes. These are my eyes. Touch your eyes. These are my eyes. Children, how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? 1, 2. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. Right. What do you do with your eyes? आप eyes से क्या करते हो? What do you do with your eyes? I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Right. Now what is this? These are my ears. How many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? 2 ears. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. What do you do with your ears? What do you do with your ears? I can listening with my ears. I can listening with my ears. Children, what is this? These are fingers. These are fingers. 5 fingers in this hand. 5 fingers in this hand. Now children, now tell me how many fingers? 5 plus 5, 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. And what is this? Thumb. How many thumb do you have? 2 thumb. How many thumb do you have? 2 thumb. Right. Now what is this? This is my hair. These are my hair. What is this? This is the forehead. Forehead. And what is this? Eyebrows. What is this? Eyebrows. Now what is this? Neck. What is this? Neck. Now what is this? This is my arm. How many arms do you have? 2. How many arms do you have? 2. Now what is this? Hands. I have 2 hands. I have 2 hands. What do you do with your hands? आप hands से क्या करते हो children? Now tell me. How many hands do you have? 2. I can write with my hands. I can pray with my hands. I can eat with my hands. Right. What is this? Shoulder. What is this? Shoulder. Now what is this? Stomach. आपको स्टमक पेन होता है ना? जब आप जंक फूड खाते हो तब आपको स्टमक पेन होता है ना? Stomach. Right. What is this? This is my 2 legs. These are my 2 legs. What do you do with your legs? आप अपने legs से क्या करते हो? Can run with my legs. I can jump with my legs. I can dance with my legs. Right. These are different body parts. Right. Now children, I want to tell you about rhymes. My eyes can see the big bright sun. जब हमारे पास eyes है तब तभी तो हम सन को देख पाते हैं ना बेटा। My eyes can see the big bright sun. Sun कैसा होता है? What is the color of sun? Yellow. What is the color of sun? Yellow. Yellow color. Bright and sun. ये हमें क्या देता है? रोशनी देता है sun. Yes, very good. Now my nose can smell or cinnamon buns. हम नोज से क्या कर सकते हैं? स्मेल, जो अच्छी स्मेल आती है हम किससे लेते हैं? स्प्रे या पाउडर या मम्मा जो खाना बनाती है उसकी स्मेल आती है ना, वो हम किससे लेते हैं? नोज। आई हैव वन नोज, आई कैन स्मेल विथ माय नोज। नाउ माय ईयर्स कैन हियर द बिग लाउड ड्रम। हम ईयर से क्या करते हैं? लिसनिंग विथ माय ईयर्स। जो ड्रम बजते हैं वो किससे सुन पाते हैं? ईयर्स। नाउ माय टंग कैन टेस्ट गुड थिंग्स यम यम। नाउ children, now show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. Tongue. I can taste with my tongue. Where is your teeth? What is the color of teeth? What is the color of teeth? White. Very good. I tongue can taste good things. Yum yum. हम किससे टेस्ट करते हैं? आप चॉकलेट खाते हो, आइसक्रीम खाते हो, राइट? वो आप किससे टेस्ट करते हो? टंग से। My hands can feel the sand. What fun. जब आप बीच पे जाते हो, राइट, तो आप क्या करते हो? उससे सैंड से खेलते हो? किससे खेलते हो? फिंगर से खेलते हो? वो बहुत मजा आती है। आप जाते हो बीच पे? कौन जाता है? मुझे कल बताना, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन करूंगी कल भी कि कल कौन कौन इस छुट्टियों में कौन कौन गया था बीच में और आपने बीच में कौन सी एक्टिविटी की। ओके। माय हैंड्स कैन फील द सैंड। व्हाट फन। हम सैंड से खेलते हैं ना। किससे खेलते हैं? फिंगर से आप हाउस बनाते हो, सैंड कास्टल बनाते हो, राइट? आई लाइक माय सैंड्स एवरीवन। आईज, नोज, ईयर्स, टंग एंड हैंड। हाउ मेनी सेंस? 5 सेंस हो गए। कितने सेंस हो गए होते हैं? 5। आईज, नोज, ईयर्स, टंग एंड स्किन। ओके। Today's class work, name of eyes in notebook and homework, page number 46 in worksheet. So I will write class work and then mention date. Which body part is this? Eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. So I will write name of eye. What is the name of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. I will write here. You have to write only 2 blue line. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. I can see with my eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. I have 2 eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Now children, I will take in notebook. Open your notebook. Write CW and date. Now take out the page number 46 in worksheet. Write HW and mention date. Write the name of the following body parts in the given lines. Write the name of the following body part in the given line. आपको body parts के name in line में लिखना है. Okay? Which body part is this? Nose. What is the name of the nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. How many nose do you have? One. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. So I will write name of nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Now today's class work we will take in eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. What do you do with your eyes? I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. What is the name of the eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Now children, our classwork and homework are done. Thank you children.